Hi, I am Nancy Best, and welcome to the virtual open house for 410 Stewart Street in Meadowlakes, Texas. This is a community just outside Marble Falls. It's a gated community, has an 18-hole golf course, and I'm excited to show you this house, so let's get started. This home is situated on a large double corner lot. It's only about 2 blocks from the Colorado River. Has 2,200 square feet and 4 bedrooms and 2 baths. Nice covered porch. You walk into a spacious front entry that turns into the living. Built-ins around electric fireplace and the same schmear brick on the interior. Plantation shutters in the front of the house. There is wood look ceramic tile throughout the entire home. It is a split arrangement, so the master is at the front of the house. This is the primary bedroom with tray ceiling accents. The master closet has a sliding barn door. Peek in here, and some nice spacious built-ins. Primary bath, granite counters with dual sinks, and large walk-in shower. Nice tile accents, 2 shower heads, and then the closet. From the living, it opens into a large dining area. Again, you've got those ceiling accents with can lights. And the kitchen has this really unique brick schmear veneer accent throughout as backsplash, but you'll see it goes all the way to the ceiling. Deep farm sink. Extra storage in the island. The pantry is just off the kitchen, also with the sliding barn door. And you've got plenty of space in there. So off the kitchen is the secondary bedrooms, and we have this room the right. We'll take a peek in this closet. Do not think it comes with the games. This is actually the door to the garage. We'll take a look in there in just a moment. Nice spacious laundry room. Cabinets on this side, it's built-ins over here, so you've got plenty of room. And nice decorative tile in here. Bedroom 3. And then around the corner is bedroom 4. This bedroom, it's one long closet, but with 2 doors. So kind of a 2-in-1. Okay, heading back from that 4th bedroom, we've got bathroom number 2. Again, granite counters, large full mirror. Tub shower in this secondary bathroom. You see the towel goes all the way to the ceiling. And then a separate water closet. Just want to show you really quickly in this little water closet, they have some extra shelves built in. So you've got some places for linens and storing some other things. Okay, I'm gonna head back towards the laundry room, and we do have a little extra closet here. So there are different places for storage, just kind of nestled throughout this home with built-ins. And this is a nice wide hallway. I just want to kind of make note that, you know, a lot of room to get things through, in and out. In the garage, this is a 2-car garage, but it's oversized. So you can kind of see that even with the 2-car, you've got lots of extra space for things, and then a door, exterior door to the backyard. All right, that's it for the inside. So now we're gonna head outside and take a look at this great backyard, and also some of the opportunity that you might have with this house. So from the kitchen, you've got an exterior door to the back patio, and a large covered back patio area. And I really like the features, the wood features that are underneath the awning. Again, you've got a little bit of extra concrete slab here for grills. Another concrete slab that was for a fire pit, and a nice pecan tree for some extra shade. There are a ton of beautiful mature pecan trees in the streets of Meadowlakes community that just really give the entire neighborhood just a very quiet, comfortable feel. This is that exterior door from the garage. So just to give you another just kind of angle from the yard, you can kind of see it's a little bit higher elevation on this property. It does have privacy fence throughout. So you've got some good space for a swimming pool if that's something that is appealing to you. And also, coming out to the side gate, just kind of want to show you a little bit about the back part of this lot. So you've got quite a bit of flat work in a circle back drive, so lots and lots of parking, double gate, and even an opportunity to, you know, possibly build a workshop or some extra space there. So nice big lot, and just gonna take a moment to hop over here a little bit and kind of give you a look at the view, because from where this house is positioned from the front porch, you just get a really lovely view out here, and all of that is area that is going to stay nice and open. Just right down the street there is access to the Colorado River, and just kind of give you a look along the street view here. Last little tidbit for you garage lovers, I'm going to give you a look at a couple things in the garage. So from the access door to the house, you've got your main breaker panel here, also a water softener, and this is where the hot water heater is. And then of course that door that gives you access to the backyard. So thank you all for taking a few minutes of your day to spend some time looking through this beautiful home. If you'd like to see 410 Stewart, you do have to contact your real estate agent, or if you want to contact us at Nancy Best Realty, we'll be happy to meet you out here and give you a personal tour. So thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.